Everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's LSAMI shout out goes to Geet. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, so for today's video, I am super duper excited because it is a huge beauty haul. I have shopped so much from Boddess.com. I have reviewed a Boddess beauty in the past. जब से मैंने discover किया है, I have been ordering most of my makeup from there. You have some amazing premium brands. I love the packaging, and yes, they also have so many offers going on. And now in the month of June, they actually have their biggest annual sale, which is their peach glow sale, that is now live as you're watching this. So from 10th June to 30th June, and the entire month of June, we have the peach glow sale going on, where so many brands are going to be on discount. Another reason to love this sale is that there are offers across all kinds of products and across all kinds of brands. So you have premium brands such as ABH 2000 on sale, right to a more budget friendly brands such as Mama Earth, Nivea, Plum Goodness. There are a lot of products to go through, but I just wanted to show you and give you an idea that if there's a time that you want to stock up on your beauty products, makeup products, skincare products, then I would suggest that this is the correct time. Lots of you did have questions about the Boddess beauty brand from the previous video, and just to share with you that I've tried them out multiple times. The products are authentic, genuine, the customer service is amazing, and the website is also user friendly, which is another thing that I love. First brand that I want to share with you, jo I have been waiting to try this since so long. It is an international brand exclusively available on Boddess, and that is ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills. And what I got from there is this lip gloss. It is so stunning. This is what the packaging looks like, and on ABH you have flat 20% going on, which is an amazing offer for like an international premium brand. So this is the lip gloss. It's approximately 4.5 gram. I love the packaging. It's really nice, premium to feel. And then it has an applicator, and this is such a stunning like pink color, and of course it has like specks of silver glitter inside it. Okay, the next brand from which I shopped is Laneige, and now their skin products are, of course, it's a premium brand, but it is worth the price. I have tried it out in the past and they have worked really well for me. And you have like a 15% off on rupees 1600, and you also have a free gift on every order. So the first thing I got was their Radiance C cream, and oh my god, again I love the packaging of this so much. And I also picked up their multi deep clean cleanser, and this is what the bottle looks like. Love the packaging, very sleek. Laneige products are made in Korea and they are packed with some really nice ingredients. And another thing I love is that this is suitable for all skin types. Okay, the next thing I got, again, this is a brand that I had my eye on since so long. I have heard skincare experts raving about it, and I think that the sale was the perfect time to shop from there. So the brand is Sulwasu, and I went for their activating serum. Now this is what the bottle looks like, and I am so excited to give this a go. Of course, serums takes time to show effects and results, but what I did love about this in the first go is the consistency and how it felt on the skin. I will keep you updated about the results of this in the comments box maybe. Okay, next comes the brand Innisfree. Again, skincare experts ka favorite lists mates there, and this is the very popular green tea seed serum. Now this is packed with ingredients like niacinamide, camellia oil, and even on Innisfree products you have up to 30% off going on and free gift on every order. So if you've sort of been waiting for a perfect time to shop from them, then this is the perfect opportunity. And also these offers are valid on their website as well as in stores, so you can shop from either. Maybe if you happen to have a store near you, then you can do a patch test. The next product is Maybelline, and this is their Super Stay liquid lipstick, which I have tried out this range, but I wanted to do like a different shade in it. This is the color 125 Inspirer, and I've tried the formulation. I love the applicator of this one. It stays on for super duper long, and of course Maybelline products are very budget friendly, so on an everyday basis this is a great lipstick, especially now in summers. If you have longer hours in the office, in college, then I think this is a really good buy. And across Maybelline you have an up to 25% discount going on. My next buy, especially for the summers, was a sunscreen. I wanted to sort of restock on my favorite ones. This is the one from La Shield. This has SPF up to 40, and this is again suitable for all skin types. So this is oil free, and also this is very lightweight, which is why I really like this. And again, like across La Shield you have a minimum 20% off going on, which is crazy. Like, I was really interested to share this video with you because there are so many good offers going on, and I wanted to make sure you know कि अच्छा beauty products लेने हैं, then it's the correct time. Across all products, across the entire website, you have an up to 50% off going on. So in case you have some other brands you want to try, or in case you want to restock on your favorites, then you can go ahead and check this out. For the next thing, I have this from Flawless, and this is basically a hair remover, usually for your facial hair, and I have been having my eye on this one, especially because it's pain free. I was super duper excited to try it, and I got like a flat 25% off on this, so I thought it's like the perfect time to shop. So this is what the inside ka packaging looks like. I'm going to be trying this out once I have my makeup off, because I'm sick and tired of that, you know, threading wali dard. So I'll keep you guys again updated of this in the comments. Let's see कि इसमें regrowth कैसी होती है and all of. Okay, moving on, I wanted my Bath and Body Basics. This is the Nivea ka shower gel, and this is in a lemon and oil. So that's the fragrance that I love in my bath products. And also this has like beads going on throughout its formulation. And then I also got the Nivea ka Pearl and Beauty roll-on. Now again, on these products on Nivea you have a flat 25% off. And another one of my top favorite brands, especially for an everyday basis, like this brand always makes me feel good, and I could get a 20% off on this as well. It's Plum Goodness, and इनका मैंने ये वाला try किया हुआ है. This is their mist, but this time I got the vanilla vibes of fragrance. So let's see what this actually looks like or smells like. Okay, that is really nice because it's of course vanilla. It's a really good everyday scent, and as I said, I've tried these mists. They last easily for 3 to 4 hours, and all of that fragrance like instantly make you feel so good. And the next product that I want to show you is this eyeshadow palette from Faces Canada. Now I do have like lots of my premium palettes, but I wanted something more neutral, more everyday basis के लिए. So I came across this, and this is a really nice like neutral palette. You have grays, you have browns, you have a few glitter shades here and there as well in case you need it. And this is very travel friendly. Like, I love the size of this one. Again, this was on a flat 20% off, so I literally got 1,000 rupees ka product for rupees 800. Now apart from these products, as I've said, you have up to 50% off across the website. So in case you have your preferred brands, then you can check that out as well. You have offers on budget friendly brands such as Biotique, Mama Earth, and another brand that I've been wanting to try since such a long time was Earth Rhythm. So I also went ahead and purchased their products to give it a shot. And you can also avail offers on your classic brands such as Color Bar, Bombay Shaving Company, and this dry shampoo by Boddess, which is also so popular. So these were sort of my sale recommendations from the Peach Glow sale. All the links will be in the description, so you can check them out. And these offers are only valid till 20th June, what I have mentioned, and the offers at which I have bought them. So it might change towards the end of the sale, which is why I would recommend shopping abhi. Other than that, if you have any other questions about Boddess, I did like a review in the past, so I did not want to repeat that. I just wanted this to be a fun little haul. But if you still have any questions, then you can ask me down in the description box, comments box. I'll keep you updated. So those were my recommendations and my beauty sale haul. I loved shopping from it because the amount of money I have saved, like at least 25%, 20% off price sab pe. So I had a super duper fun time making this video, and I hope you got some recommendations as well. And yeah, that's about it. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yes, I will see you super duper soon with another video. Bye.